Introducing the HandiFueler Aircraft Ground Support Fuel Service Cart. Already used and prized by the U.S. Air Force, Army, and Navy, the HandiFueler is now becoming the most demanded equipment for commercial aviation flight lines and GSE maintenance shops everywhere. The HandiFueler Ground Support Service Cart is a refueler purpose-engineered to provide a safe and efficient solution to the challenges of servicing aircraft ground support equipment. Simply put, the HandiFueler saves time and money. Why drag equipment back and forth when you can deliver fuel service in place on the ramp or on the flight line? When your organization employs the HandiFueler, you will save time. Stop transporting equipment to and from the fuel source. Bring the fuel direct to the equipment with HandiFueler. Servicing GSE in place prevents deterioration of tires, bearings, and other components, saving additional time and money. And the HandiFueler is much more versatile than just a refuel cart. Quickly and easily convert the HandiFueler to defuel mode to remove fuel from equipment for mobility or maintenance. This recovered fuel is filtered via an aviation-grade filtration system, ensuring its immediate availability for reuse. The HandiFueler is also a tire service station. An onboard air source can provide air to service several tires. Additionally, the HandiFueler is a full-service fluid station on wheels. Stowage is provided for oil, hydraulic fluid, and antifreeze, preventing additional time-wasting trips back to the shop. The HandiFueler is available in 400-gallon and 600-gallon sizes. You ask, we delivered. Engineered to save time and money on the flight line. The HandiFueler. Contact the HandiFueler sales team right now or go online for more details.